If you are currently eligible to receive the COVID-19 vaccine, an appointment is necessary to receive your dose. On the state website at coronavirus.delaware.gov, you can follow these instructions to make your appointment online. First, when you are on the home page, you will find a red rectangle labeled Find Where to Get Vaccinated. From here, you may select Sign Up for the Waitlist. On this page, if you are 16 or older, you can request a vaccination with this link. Going back, if you wish to be vaccinated at a pharmacy, you will scroll down and select Learn More. Here, you simply click on the pharmacy of your choice and follow the directions to make your appointment. You will make an appointment with vaccination events the same way. Learn more, and then request appointment here. With medical providers, you must call your doctor to ask if they are vaccinating patients. Lastly, when it comes to scheduling your second dose of the vaccine, you should expect to receive the second dose in the same location as your first. Click here to learn all you need to know about Delaware's second dose vaccine plan. Thank you for following along, stay safe, and sign up for your vaccine today.